Today I'm excited to review the potato slicer. This is a creative kitchen gadget that makes it easy to create spiral-shaped potatoes or other vegetables in a fun and unique way. The slicer is made of high-quality stainless steel and plastic, which makes it durable and easy to clean. The rotating mechanism is simple to use and allows you to create perfect spiral cuts every time. The slicer is also multifunctional, which means you can use it to slice other vegetables like carrots or cucumbers. Using the slicer is very easy. One of the main benefits of this potato slicer is that it makes cooking more fun and creative. You can use the spiral potatoes to make unique and visually appealing dishes. Additionally, the slicer is easy to clean and maintain, so you don't have to worry about it getting dirty or breaking down. I give this product a 5-star rating and would definitely recommend it. You can buy it from the link in description.